What's up, y'all? Coming at you from Brooklyn, New York. Got the bike mostly stripped down of decals. Did want to show you the bike chain wrap look before I take these off too. Preparing the bike, which was covered with a bunch of different stickers from a previous video, to do a kind of black on black stealth look. I got the black hexagon stickers, which actually reflect white. Let me turn the flash off here. There you go. Gonna kind of cover this thing with a cool like stealth bat bike hexagon vibe. Wanted to show you real quick the residue left by stickers. You get a sense for it here. This stuff comes off pretty easily. I'm gonna go after it with a little rubbing alcohol on a rag. It should come right off. So yeah. All right, well, we got all the adhesive off, as good as new. So excited to get to work on this bad boy and to show you the customization video. So until next time, stay safe out on the road and ride safe, y'all. Wow.